Hi, today I'm making a chef salad. Uh, a nice, hearty, and healthy salad is perfect for this summer heat. And so it has all types of ingredients, but I begin with a quarter cup to a half a cup of multicolored bell peppers. I use an eighth of a cup of red onion. I'm also using about an eighth of a cup of sliced cucumbers, eighth of a cup of chopped tomatoes. I am using radish, so just an eighth of a cup, because just a very little bit of radish, as well as avocado, about an eighth of a cup, 2 cups of leafy dark green vegetables. I'm adding a ham. I had a ham steak, so I decided to kind of cook that and cube that so that that could go into the salad. And there you have it. It is a brightly colored chef salad. I added cheese, maybe a quarter cup, and a boiled egg, 1 or 2, depending on what you like. This serves 2 easy, and this is a full summer meal. Add your favorite summer beverage and maybe a roll, and that's it for a chef salad.